Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Toyota Rav4 we're going to go over how you replace, or how you would remove and replace your front headlight assembly. So with the bumper been removed, you can now proceed to remove this headlight assembly. We've got two bolts over here, one closer up the front here and one that's down in the back, and then a bolt over here and one that goes right here that holds the headlight assembly on. And we've got some electrics to undo. Okay. So we got this one undone on this side. Then we got one up top here. Here. So then we got one more bolt right here to undo, and then a few electrics to undo on the back side here, and then we can remove the whole headlight assembly. So there's an electric connector down here. So we undid that electric connector, then it just got this clip. Back that off. Now you'll just have the electric connector. You can either undo the electric connector or take the lights out themselves. But we'll just do the connector. And then you've got the one here. It goes for the headlight. And then the one that's for the side marker that's up here, right here. We undo that. And there's one more clip. Right down there. There was just one more clip to be undone. And now with all that undone, and you can undo the electric connectors with pulling it away, but we have the space. Just kind of pop this tab up a little bit, and you'll be able to pull this headlight assembly away and remove the whole thing from the car if you need to replace it because it's cracked or broken in one way or form. So that's how you remove it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.